We guide you through how to recover deleted photos from your Android phone quickly and easily. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Photos app and tap on Library, then go to Trash or Bin, where deleted photos are stored for up to 30 days. Browse and select the photos you want to restore, then tap Restore to bring them back to your gallery instantly. If you don't see your photos there, open your phone's file manager and check the recently deleted or recycle bin folder, depending on your device brand like Samsung or Xiaomi. Now, if the photos are permanently deleted, go to the Google Photos website or app and check if backup is enabled by tapping your profile icon, then Photos Settings, and Backup and Sync. If backup was on, simply search your photos and re-download them. If not, your last option is to use trusted recovery app from the Play Store like Disk Digger. Install it, allow permissions, and scan your storage to recover deleted images. Keep in mind, results may vary depending on how long ago the photos were deleted.